To change to dark mode in Windows 11, just click on the Start button, type Settings, and click on Settings in the search results. In the left column, click on Personalization, and to the right, click Colors. Near the top, you'll see Choose Your Mode, and to the right of it, you'll likely be in Light Mode. Click this drop-down and select Dark, and both Windows and your apps will change to dark mode. You can also customize this slightly if you want to. If you click the drop-down again and choose Custom, you can change the setting for Windows itself and your apps separately. For instance, you can set Windows to dark mode, but have your apps stay in light mode, mixing the two. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.